Oh, look at here. We may have a little wreck. Oh, darn, I'm heartbroken. Look at these freaks of nature. Anyway, it's March 18th. Oh, God, the focus blows. Oh, that sucks. I don't know why it does that I can't fix it. Anyway, I'll just show you this real quick here. Look at this. How weird that is. See how they cross like that? I mean, that proves to you that those are not commercial airlines. They would not be allowed to do that. But these little shorties, don't let them fool you. There's still a lot of people that go, those are CONtrails because they're short. You're wrong. They're not. All right, I'm out. Sorry, that was a shorty. Take care, guys. I'm out.